So I'm down here in the, I guess it would be the cockpit hatch off the back of the boat, and Becky's got all the painting done. I've got the props mounted back on their holders, the spares, and let me flip the camera around and take a look at the inside of this after it's all painted. So she's gotten all the walls, we've got all the floor covers painted, the hull beneath these is painted. Did a really good job. And now we can start putting our stuff back in here for storage. There's a bilge that I got to put in here. That's the wire hanging. And so that's my next step. I won't put anything in here until I get that in, but we had contemplated actually painting the ceilings as well. It's got natural gray, or that original gray, and I just don't know that we're gonna go to that effort. We may do it again later, but right now we've gotten all the walls. And since the light, we're gonna replace these original lights with a LED strip in here. It'll be just over my head, and we'll actually use the wiring coming to this light to supply the power. But since the light will be pointing, down, everything will be more reflective off of this white paint. So we think it'll get a lot brighter in here. And right now there's some sun coming in here, but either at night or a cloudy day, it'd be nice to have a little bit of extra brightness in here in case we have to get down in here and grab stuff, or heaven forbid, work on, the ruddering system, or, something like that. So we got this little project knocked out, and Becky spent a couple of successive weekends down in the hole, so to speak. So she did a great job on the paint, and thought you guys might like to see the finished product. One of the few finished products we've seen so far, but we're getting there.